Want to slash your energy bills, shrink your carbon footprint, and make your home way more comfortable? The answer probably isn't solar panels, fancy batteries, or some new AI gadget. It's something far less exciting. It's hidden behind your drywall. It's sitting above your ceiling, and most homeowners completely overlook it. Insulation might be the most boring topic in sustainability. Seriously, it doesn't glow like rooftop solar panels. It doesn't sync with your phone like a smart thermostat. You can't show it off to your neighbors during a backyard barbecue. There's no dashboard, no app, and definitely no futuristic aesthetic. But if you truly care about energy efficiency, home performance, and long-term carbon reduction, insulation may be the single most powerful upgrade you can make. Before you invest in high-tech green gadgets, before installing rooftop solar, before even thinking about battery storage or EV chargers, the smartest place to start is inside your walls, attic, and floors. Because sustainability isn't just about producing clean energy, it's about stopping waste. Most homes are constantly losing energy through heat transfer. In the winter, all that cozy, warm air you paid to heat escapes right out of your house. In the summer, heat from the outside pushes its way inward, forcing your cooling system to fight back nonstop. Your HVAC system works overtime just to maintain a comfortable temperature. That extra workload translates directly into higher electricity bills and higher emissions, especially if your local grid still relies on fossil fuels. Now, insulation doesn't generate energy. It doesn't create power. It simply slows the movement of heat. And in the world of sustainable home upgrades, reducing your energy demand is often way more impactful than increasing your energy supply. So how does heat actually move? It happens in three primary ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is when heat passes through solid materials, like the wood studs in your walls or the drywall itself. Convection is when air carries heat through all the little gaps, leaks, and cavities in your home. And radiation is heat transfer through electromagnetic waves, like the sun baking your roof all afternoon. Effective insulation is designed to tackle all three of these. Materials like fiberglass bats, blown-in cellulose, mineral wool, and spray foam all work by trapping air in millions of tiny pockets. Those trapped air pockets disrupt the flow of heat. The slower heat moves, the less your HVAC system has to compensate. It's simple physics, and it's incredibly effective. Let's talk about the biggest energy hog in most houses, the attic. We all know warm air rises. So, in the colder months, the heated air in your home naturally collects near the ceiling and escapes right through a poorly insulated attic. Then, in the warmer seasons, your roof absorbs all that solar radiation and transfers the heat downward into your living areas, making your upstairs feel like an oven. Upgrading your attic insulation frequently delivers one of the highest returns on investment of any home energy project. It's not glamorous work, and it won't change how your home looks, but the savings can be immediate and substantial. Your walls matter too, especially in older homes that were built before modern building codes required better insulation. Some older houses have minimal, or in some cases, absolutely no wall insulation at all. The good news is, you can often add dense packed cellulose or blown-in insulation without having to tear out all your drywall, which makes these retrofits much more accessible than many people assume. And don't forget the floors, especially those above a crawl space, basement, or garage. If your floors feel freezing cold in the winter, inadequate insulation underneath is almost always the culprit. Sealing and insulating these areas can dramatically improve your comfort, sometimes even before you notice the savings on your utility bill. But here's a critical point. Insulation alone is not enough. You absolutely must focus on air sealing. Think about it. Insulation slows heat movement, but any gaps and cracks allow air to bypass the insulation entirely. All those tiny openings around electrical outlets, windows, doors, plumbing pipes, attic hatches, and even recessed lighting create invisible highways for energy loss. Sealing those leaks with caulk, weather stripping, or expanding foam can completely transform your home's performance. In fact, having insulation without proper air sealing is like wearing a heavy winter coat with the zipper wide open. It just doesn't work. From a carbon emissions perspective, insulation is incredibly powerful because it reduces energy demand right at the source. When our homes consume less electricity and less heating fuel, power plants don't have to generate as much energy. This reduces emissions across the entire grid. So unlike renewable energy systems that offset emissions, insulation helps prevent them in the first place. Reducing demand also lowers the peak load on the grid during extreme weather events. When fewer homes need maximum heating or cooling all at the same time, the electrical grid experiences less strain. This improves overall resilience and reduces the likelihood of blackouts or brownouts for everyone. Another overlooked advantage is longevity. Solar panels typically last a few decades. HVAC systems require regular maintenance and will eventually need to be replaced. But insulation, when it's installed correctly, can last for the entire lifetime of your building. There are no moving parts, no maintenance schedules, and it makes no noise. It just quietly does its job in the background, every single day. The cost is often more approachable than people expect, too. Upgrading your attic insulation is generally far less expensive than installing a full solar panel system or replacing your furnace and air conditioner. Plus, many regions offer rebates, tax incentives, or utility credits for insulation improvements because energy efficiency is one of the most cost-effective climate strategies available. When you combine those lower installation costs with reduced monthly energy bills, the payback period can be surprisingly short. And perhaps the most immediate reward is comfort. Proper insulation reduces drafts, it stabilizes your indoor temperatures, and it gets rid of those annoying hot and cold spots in your house. Your HVAC system will cycle on and off less aggressively. Even humidity fluctuations will decrease. As a bonus, it also improves soundproofing, making your home quieter and more peaceful. However, not all insulation materials are created equal. You'll hear the term R value, which measures resistance to heat flow. A higher R value means stronger insulating performance, but the ideal level really depends on your climate zone. Colder climates need higher R values in the attic, while warmer regions might prioritize things like radiant barriers to reflect the sun's heat. Remember, more insulation isn't automatically better if you haven't addressed those air leaks first. A balanced, holistic approach is what truly matters. Sustainability also extends to the materials you choose. Some insulation products have higher embodied carbon, meaning a lot of energy was used to manufacture them. Cellulose insulation, which is made from recycled newspaper, often has a much lower environmental footprint. Mineral wool offers great durability and fire resistance. Spray foam provides excellent air sealing, but can have higher production emissions. Each material has its trade-offs in cost, performance, and environmental impact. Choosing the right one means evaluating your climate, your budget, and your long-term goals. So if you're planning a green renovation on a limited budget, insulation deserves a priority spot right at the top of your list. It may not generate viral social media content. It won't dramatically alter your home's exterior, but it will quietly reduce your energy waste every single day. In the world of eco-renovation, boring is powerful. The truth is, climate action at home doesn't always look futuristic. Sometimes it looks like climbing into your attic with some protective gear and adding a few more inches of blown-in insulation. It looks like sealing up gaps with a caulk gun. It looks like strengthening what you already have, rather than constantly adding new, complicated technology. Before you invest thousands of dollars into generating energy, make sure you're not wasting the energy you already produce. Because the greenest energy of all is the energy you never have to use. If this breakdown of home insulation and energy efficiency changed how you think about eco-friendly upgrades, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more practical insights on building a smarter, lower carbon home. Thanks for watching.